Okay, a lot of talk about the heat wave. It is on the doorstep. All those warnings ticking into place tomorrow, lasting through Monday at least. This is Cambria, a place to beat the heat, but even these places will see the forecast quickly start moving up, especially over the holiday weekend. You want to think ahead, and that's one of the reasons all of these warnings have been in place for days. 64 Morro Bay today, 96 Paso Robles, a little above average actually, 93 is average. 67 Pismo, 78 San Luis Obispo, 77 Cal Poly, Hearst Castle 76, 73 Lompoc, 80 Santa Barbara Airport, Santa Maria 75, 86 Santa Ynez, and all of these temperatures start moving up from there. Again, everywhere in this magenta, these are areas where the advisory, in fact, the warning kicks into place at 11 a.m. tomorrow, lasting through Monday at 8 at least, if not longer. And not just the Central Coast, Southern California, parts of Nevada, Northern Nevada, the Central Valley, the Bay Area, Monterey Bay. You'll note, though, one area is not included in the warning. That's the coastal valleys and some of the beaches here in the Central Coast, which means at least we have a little relief in our backyard. Not everyone with this warning. And again, as we told you earlier in the newscast, we're talking about millions of people under this warning. So it's 90s to nearly 100 in the interior already, with 70s at the coast and south coast, 80s Santa Ynez, 69 in Cambria. The winds are onshore. There will be some onshore wind in the afternoon at the coast, but it will weaken. The interior is going to be very hot already. My forecast for tomorrow is 100 plus in the interior and a long run of it from right around noon all the way into the evening. Coastal valleys, early low cloud potential there, but back into the mid 80s. So that would be up a little over today. Look at what's happening at the beaches. Again, early low clouds, temperatures into the mid to upper 60s, so temperatures there slowly increasing as well, and south coast temperatures in the 80s for the balance of the afternoon. What's driving this? This huge ridge of high pressure here over the west. And once it sets up, it's going to squish down in the marine layer and make it only effective at beaches and very near coastal valleys. And as it continues to squish, it is going to mean that those places will warm as we get to the weekend and early next week. A couple of times we can see a dip Friday, maybe a degree or two. But again, once we get to 110, a couple of degrees isn't going to help. A second time we could see temperatures dip a little on Tuesday with another low pushing through the pattern. But again, we're going to be so warm that even if we lose 5, we're still going to be close to 110 inland. Well, we've got storms from Maine all the way down into Mexico for the East Coast. But here on the west, we cannot buy a cold front anytime soon. 103 Paso Robles, 85 slow, 74 Santa Maria and Lompoc, 86 Santa Barbara, North Coast beaches, 65 to 70. So again, places to beat the heat. Keep that in mind as this forecast and this heat wave gets going. You're going to want to find some relief from the heat. And one of our concerns, too, is how warm some of these temperatures stay into the evening. Solvang, Santa Ynez, mid-90s, not included in the warning. There you go. Look at those numbers. Again, the all-time record high for Paso Robles is 117. We're going to be close. The difference between 100 degrees and 115 is epic. San Luis Obispo, mid-80s turned to mid-90s by Sunday. Santa Maria temperatures warming into the 90s. Santa Barbara warming to 90. And some of the hottest days, Sunday and Monday, right when a lot of people will be outside experiencing the weather. More at 6. We're back after the break.